Hey, what's up guys? This is PowerShell Basics to Mastery. Today, we're diving into how to efficiently control your terminal in PowerShell 7. This terminal on screen is a Windows terminal tool, but everything in this video will be available in the standard PowerShell terminal that comes with your Windows operating system. Okay, first things first, let's open PowerShell, which can be launched from the Start menu by searching PowerShell. Or alternatively, today, WT for Windows Terminal. Now, let's go over the basics of hotkeys and locking your terminal to the screen. To fix the window to a specific part of your screen, use the Windows key and the arrow keys. Let's start by holding the Windows key down and pushing the left arrow key. You'll notice it locks to the left hand side of the screen. Pushing the right does the same, but to the right hand side of the screen, and up, full screen. An extremely common PowerShell scenario is needing to work with multiple terminals. To save time, we can split this terminal instead of opening another. Press and hold Shift-Alt-D. This splits the current pane and runs an extra terminal within this window. I'm going to do a simple while loop that gets date and waits 2 seconds to display it on the screen. I'm now going to jump back to the original terminal by holding Alt and left arrow. I'm going to do a simple hello world to the terminal. I was able to print hello world while the function was running in the other terminal. Now to clean up, I can run exit on either terminal, and to stop this function from running, hold Control and C. Finally, to clean up, we can write the shorthand CLS to clear screen. Okay, now there is one thing to be aware of. This terminal split is still a completely new window, so no variable saved in the first terminal will make it to the second window. I'll give you an example. I'll set X as 1 and call X so we can see 1 is returned. If I open another window and call X, no value is returned. The new terminal will still load the user's PowerShell profile, but I'll cover that in a different video. And there you have it. You're now equipped with some powerful tips for moving and creating with Windows PowerShell. Experiment with these techniques to streamline your workflow and make your command line more efficient.